All right, so today, how's everyone doing today? How's everyone handling being locked up at home? Probably pretty bored. So I got my cat sidekick here, Indy. He's not going to be helping us with math today because he doesn't understand math. So I'm just going to put him back down. He doesn't like being held as much. Yeah, you can hear him. Oh. All right, so last week we learned about. Got a cat hair on my microphone. Got it. Last week we learned about perimeter, which is when we just add all the sides of an object, usually a square or rectangle. This week we're going to learn about area. Now we're just going to do it for squares and rectangles because that's the easiest one to start with. So let's grab a pen. I have my couple different colors today. I got blue and purple and others. And I got my trusty ruler and my whiteboard. So, area I think is easier. And of course, like last time, I'll let you use calculators. I can't really enforce it, so that's that. To find out area of a square, we do this. We're going to draw a square first. Trying to draw it with a ruler on a little whiteboard, bit of a challenge. So it's going to be a little uneven, I think, and I drew it kind of to the edge. Ah, messed up my square. You know what? Forget the ruler. So we're going to say each side is 6 inches. All right? So area of a square. We go the length, how long is it, times the width or height. You could say height too for this. So square, right? All sides are the same. So all we have to do is, we know this top part is 6 inches, right? Area of a square. So we're going to put and this little mini 2 here, because we're figuring out what's inside, we have to do it that way. But it's just something you write at the end. So length times width, right? What's this right here? 6 inches. Now square, all sides are the same, right? So what do you think this is going to be? 6 inches. So 6 inches times 6 inches, right? 6 times 6. And again, you can use your calculators. So we go 6 times 6, 6 inches times 6 inches. And this is because we're multiplying inch by inch. That's how we get that little squared thing at the end. So 6 times 6, what is that? Use your calculators. Not as hard on you because you're doing this at home. 36, right? What are we going to put behind it? Inches. That's kind of hard to read. Inches, right? Not just inches, inches squared. Just like that. Just like that. All right, let's do another square. We'll keep what we have here. Keep it simple. What's a good number to use? Let's do 11. Or no, 10. 10. Let's do 10. We'll say 10 feet. So we're going to say 10 feet, right? By 10 feet. What's 10 times 10? Right? So let's figure that out. Get out your calculators. 10 times 10 is 100. 100 what? 100 feet? Yeah. But what are we forgetting? What are we forgetting? 100 feet squared. So 100 feet squared. I'm keeping these simple because I'm more concerned about you getting the concept, not the, using big numbers. It's more that you know how to do it. So area of a square, length times width. Pretty simple. Now rectangles are pretty the same formula, but you're going to have to work with two different numbers. It's the same exact formula. The tall part times the long part. So tall times long. So area of a rectangle. I'm going to redraw this thing. Got my trusty ruler again. Give me a second. Bear with me. Like that. Probably gonna ruin this marker. There. Yeah. Alright, so there's our nice rectangle. Not perfect, but doable. So let's see, we're going to make the long way. We're going to make that. Let's go 8 inches. And this side, we don't know what it is, the tall way. We're going to make it 6 inches. Erase this. We don't need that. Forgot to get rid of that. My bad. So, same formula. Length times width. We could just say length is 8 inches. The width is 6 inches. So what's 8 times 6? Get out your calculators if you don't have them already. We know the answer of 8 times 6, of course, is 48. But 48 what? 48 inches. Inches what? Remember, multiply inch by inch. We got to put that little 2 at the end of inch. Inches squared. 48 inches squared. All right, let's do one more rectangle. We'll keep the same one, just change the numbers up. Let's go, give you harder numbers. 12 feet times, let's say 7. All right, can you see that? 12 feet times 7 feet. What are we going to multiply? 12 by what? Not 12. 12 by 7. So 12 by 7, I should be able to do this in my head. 67, 84. 60 is 5. 72, 84. So 12 times 7, put it in your calculator, is 84. But what are we working with? What kind of unit? Are we working with feet, inches, centimeters, meters? No, we're working with feet. So we got to put at the end 84 feet, but 84 feet what? 84 feet squared. Remember, foot times foot. I should write that in there. Foot squared. That's that. All right, so you have plenty of work with this. If you need anything, feel free to ask me for help. You can easily reach me on Edsby. I'm more of a night owl, so at night, because, we're kind of, socially distanced right now. So I can't really hang out with, my friends in big groups or anything. So, kind of stuck here for the most part, unless I got to do something, So what I'm saying, though, is, yeah, you have a bit of work to do. Now, I'm giving you a week to do it. All I need you to do with the work is take a picture, right? When you finish it, you can write it on notebook paper if you don't want to print it out. I can check it because I have the originals and I think I have the answer keys. If not, I can do it pretty quickly. Um, just say, here you go. You can upload it to Edsby. Also, I do have a Google Voice number, which we can upload. You can upload work to, like just send it as a text, and the number is on all the pages, like all the Edsby pages for for our class, so you can't miss it. You can do it either way. Yeah, I still got to have my energy drinks, unfortunately. Not as many though. Not as many. All right, so that was that. Hope to see y'all in May if they start school back up, which I don't know. That's the plan, is beginning of May when they actually start up physical classes again. But I hope to see everyone by then. I'm going to start as well. There is a survey up for Zoom sessions where they're going to be open ended. Any questions you have about school or whatnot, I'll answer it or do my best to answer. So I'm just taking a survey to see what times are best for everyone, and we'll probably start those tomorrow. All right. So take care and take care of yourselves. Be safe, and hope to see you all soon. Peace out.